Yeah, so my name is Lili Di Puppo, and I'm an anthropologist of religion, and I study Sufi Muslim communities. So Sufism is often described as the mystical dimension of Islam. And so I do fieldwork in different locations, and until 2021, I was doing fieldwork in Bashkortostan, in Russia's Ural region. And right now I'm doing fieldwork in Belgium and France. So now I'm actually part of a project with the title Muslims, the Secular and Existential Risks that is based at the University of Chester in the United Kingdom. And I do fieldwork at the moment in Belgium and France, and I want to explore how Muslims today respond to contemporary threats and challenges such as wars, pandemics, the climate change, and potentially malevolent developments in artificial intelligence. So I'm actually interested in using the Islamic knowledge tradition, so Islamic philosophy and Sufi metaphysics particularly, to explore how Muslims approach knowledge and how they make use of this knowledge to face these contemporary threats. And in order to understand this, I use the anthropological method. So I use ethnographic fieldwork. It means I just spent 8 months with the Muslim Sufi communities in Brussels. I attended ritual ceremonies and I had conversations with different Sufi Muslims. So I'm very excited to be part of a research group because usually my research, I do it on my own. So I spend time, of course, with my interlocutors. But I really look forward to have this exchange with other researchers. And especially now we have this semester many researchers working on Sufism. So for me, it is really a great opportunity to receive their feedback, comments, and also to understand how they themselves study Sufism. So what methods they use, what theoretical approaches they use. So the advantages is that often as an anthropologist, I do research on my own, but still the advantage is that you are really challenged. So you may have thought that you have some ideas that's original, but then your colleagues will tell you that you didn't consider maybe some other theoretical approaches, some other literature, or maybe your fieldwork can be deepened, or you need to use a more comparative approach. So also because they study different locations, and I do this already in my research, but it's very useful for me to learn about Muslim Sufis, for example, in Asia. So I haven't done research there. So this geographical scope of KC is really good for us because we can really do these comparisons that are helpful for our research.